Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to get Olymp trade promo codes. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Worthpenny website on your computer's browser. On the left side of the screen, click on the Coupons or Promo Codes option. This will display various offers available on the site. For example, the first coupon offers a 50% discount on your purchase. You can also get an additional 50% off on deposits of $500 or more. Promo codes from Olymp provide a remarkable 100% off. Just copy the code and paste it when placing your order to redeem the discount. Other available offers include discounts of 50% and 100%. In the promo codes section, you will find various codes that offer at least a 15% discount. There are also options for unverified discounts that apply to deposits. Additionally, you can find promo codes for events like the Olympics, which can give you a 50% discount. Thrift section offers further promo codes, providing discounts ranging from 10% to 50%, and you can discover even more Olymp codes there as well. By using these codes and offers, you can maximize your savings on purchases. So that's basically how to get Olymp trade promo codes. So that's for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.